Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. So today we are going to learn the progress bar in React Native. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Which package I'm using to view this one. So the package name is, this is the package which I'm using, React Native Progress. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so to install this package we have to install npm I React Native Progress, and if you want these circles to be working out, so you need to install React Native SVG at the same moment to use the pi or the circle components, right? You can see that here we have a circle component, so for that reason you have to add this one React Native SVG in your project, right? And you can see that it has pretty much downloads for this loader part, right? So we can use this package. So what exactly it is: progress bar, the progress and the width, progress pi, progress circle, progress snail, circle snail. So this kind of things that you can add, and it will give you that progress part. So let's have a code review of that one. So here we have the view all of them. So let's view the code one by step. So this is the code, right? And this is the animate. So here we have the code, right? So let me go to the top. Okay, so here we have import the React style sheet text in the view and the progress from the React Native Progress, right? Here we have implemented the styles. So we have a container, flex, justify, all these are the styles, right? Then we have an example. Okay, so here we go with that one. So let me add the example to be. So here we have, you have to export this as a app, not the example. Okay, so here we have the app component. This is the state, initializing the state one, the progress by default 0, intermediate, and this component did mode is this dot animate. So in animate what we have done, this is the thing that we have just added. This is set interval math dot random, just for, like, here we have this one. Let me open this progress bar. When you reload that one, so it's small interval of time it just completed out, right? So for this one we have added this part. Okay, so here we go with this one. Okay, set that intermediate interval, so you can see that, right? On component did mount we have added this functionality, right? And the rest you can see that. If I want the progress bar, what I did, style dot progress this dot state dot progress. Here you can see that we are setting the state of the progress, and interminate, where we have add, that is state, this dot state dot interminate. You can see that here we have set the state. Okay, the timeout, set this inter indeterminate, this one. If I go and just check it over here, the this functionality, that is this one. So let's check the props over here. Here you can see that indeterminate, right? So if set true, the indicator will spin and the progress prop will be ignored, right? If you make it false, then it will not work. If it is true, the indicator will spin and the progress prop will be ignored, right? So here we have, by default we are setting it to the, when the timeout, it will set to be the false one, right? So here we have this one. So next we have the progress circle, the same, the progress pi, the progress circle. Then we have a circle snail. Okay, these are the five progress bars that we can use. You can see that it's the same phenomena over here. Whether you want to change the color of red, green, blue, so you can also add this one. So let's add this color snail of this one with the array of object, right? So here we go. You can see that we have added this one style dot progress. We have a different colors also. So in the this one you can see that the different colors it will rotating, right? So you can pass the color and you can see that one, right? Here we go with this one, right? It's very easy, nothing very difficult in that. Just add the progress circle, style, color, progress, how much progress you want to show it, like full, half or something. So this is a function where all of the processes is going to be done out, that is animate progress. By default it's set to be 0, and after the timeout of the some interval of time, it is calculating that one, right? And then this set the state progress to be according to it, right? So this is how we are able to integrate this progress bar into your React Native progress into your project. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. And if it is useful in where in your progress, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.